Good morning, everyone. I brought you a fresh recipe, which is a go-to drink for anyone who would like to detoxify and be healthy. So even if you're not on a Parasite cleanse, you should drink this every morning on empty stomach, first thing in the morning. So all you need is the juices of 2 whole lemons. And then this will alkalize your body, activates digestion, and stimulating the liver. So this is really good for you. Then add 1 drop of cilantro. It is a combination of cilantro and chlorella. Cilantro mobilizes heavy metals and chlorella binds them before they can recirculate. So this is really handy. Then add 1 drop of selenium. It protects you against mercury toxicity and your brain needs this. So this is really important bit. Then add 1 tablespoon of living silica. With its strong negative charge, it acts like a magnet for aluminium to pull it out of your body. I also talked about this in another video you can check out here. Then, if you can afford, add 3 to 6 pumps of CellMed Salva Cell. Must be in a glass bottle. It helps with stem cell activation and regular regeneration. And you can top it all off with coconut water, preferably organic and preferably in a glass bottle. It will provide you with electrolytes and minerals the body needs. Blend these until it gets frothy and drink this on empty stomach in each morning. Enjoy!